If your videos look blurry or lower quality in CapCut, the problem isn't your footage, it's a hidden setting inside the software. Here's how to fix it in under a minute. The first thing to do is to open CapCut and create a new project. After opening a new project, come to the Details panel, and the Details panel shows every information of any asset you will add to the timeline, so it displays informations like the resolution, aspect ratio, and the frame rate. And this is where the problem is, because as you can see, the frame rate is at 30 FPS and resolution is at adapted. So most of the time, if you add a video to the timeline, CapCut convert it to the default settings here. So even if your video is in 60 FPS, it will be converted to 30 FPS, because that's the default set here. And if you want the same resolution and FPS that you want, then you will need to change it manually. And this is how to do that. So come and click on Modify right here. So this panel will open and we are going to do some changes here if you want your video to have a higher resolution and frame rate after exporting. First come to Resolution, then click on the drop-down menu, then select Custom, and as you can see, the default resolution here is 1080p. So now we can change it to the resolution that we want. So you can input the resolution, and I have input the resolution for 4K right here. Now the next thing to do is to change the frame rate. So I am going to change mine to 60 FPS. Then after changing the frame rate, here comes the crucial part. Come and click on the Performance tab right here, then turn off the proxy settings. Please note that if your PC is not particularly powerful, you may encounter performance issues during the editing process, especially when working with lengthy video files or projects containing multiple layers. The proxy feature is intended to reduce system load by temporarily compressing the files used during editing. However, based on my experience, this can negatively impact on the quality of the final export, despite claims that it should not. It took me considerable time to identify the cause of this issue, and it was quite frustrating to invest significant effort into editing only to end up with a pixelated or low-quality export. Since implementing the steps outlined below, my videos have achieved excellent quality. The only drawback is that I have not yet found a way to set these adjustments as default. So I must repeat the process at the start of each new project. And that's it. Once you disable the proxy and set your project resolution and frame rate properly, your video should look just as sharp and clean as the original footage. No more blurry exports, no more wasted edits. I honestly wish I'd figured this out sooner, because it completely changed my workflow and the quality of my final videos. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more quick fixes and editing tips like this one, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.